Let's unbox the Super Doctor from Hasbro Gaming. This is a pretty cool toy. As you can see, here is a guy laying down with a red nose. This is actually a pretty fun game. Play with the whole family. Inside the box, you can find some bones and some cards. I'll show you how to prepare for the game. Those are the bones and those are the cards. And here's a rubber band. We will put all of the bones here next to the picture, and this rubber here to the right leg. Here you can see the butterfly. This one is butterfly, this comes here. This is a broken heart. This comes right here. This is a V-shaped bone. This comes right here. This is an apple. This is below the chin here. Let's see, we have an arm bone like this here. This one is a bucket filled with water. This comes right here. This looks like a tool. What the heck does it have to be on the left foot? It comes here. Let's see what we have. This is a horse. Horse shape. This comes right here. Good. This, let's find the place of this here. Here or here? Let's see. This one looks like a pencil. This comes right here. We have two more shapes left. I guess this comes here, right here. And the only one that's left comes right here. This looks like a piece of bread. And the rubber band we have to put right here. That's the preparation for the game. And those are the cards. The youngest player starts the game. Now we take a card. Oh, it's this bone here. You see, the purpose of the game is to take out the bone without touching those metal parts. If you touch those metal parts, the nose goes red. Let's try to get it out without touching the metal. And, oops. Now the next player has to play the game. Let's see what we have here. This part is right here. It looks pretty much more easier. It's easier said than done. So let's try to get it out without touching the metal parts. No. Oops. As I told you. No. It's really not easy. Let's try to get out the apple, which is right here. We have to be really careful. Yes. That was one. And butterfly. Butterfly looks easier than the other ones. Let's try to get it out from the head. Pick it up. Well done. Nice. Bread. This one looks easy too. Yes. Let's try to find another one. This looks easy too. But it's like here. We have... Oops! No. Didn't happen. This is the broken heart. Let's try to get the broken heart out. No. No. Unable to take it. Let's try to find this one here. This looks easy. Be careful, don't touch the metal parts. No, didn't happen. Let's try the next one. Aha! This is the pencil right here. Go down, slowly. No! Didn't happen. Yes, try to get out the horse. Where is the horse? It's right here. No. Another red nose. Alright, this is a pretty fun game. You can play this game with the whole family. Hope you enjoyed our video. See you next time. Bye bye.